Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil and today we're going to be doing a hard reset or factory reset on this device. This device is called PLUM, and if you forgot your passcode, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that passcode and reset everything on your device. The buttons you're going to need are the volume up key and the power. You want to press and hold both at the same time until the phone powers on. When you get to the screen, you want to make sure the arrow is right next to where it says recovery. Right there. The arrow all the way on the right. So you're going to press the volume down key to select. Once you do that, it will take you to the recovery screen. We're going to be using the volume down key to navigate all the way down to where it says wipe data factory reset. Then you want to press this power key to select. Once you do that, it takes you to this other menu. You'll want to scroll down to yes, delete all user data, then press the power key again. Once everything is wiped, we're going to be doing one more step. We're going to use the volume down key to get to wipe cache partition, then press the power key again. Then you can go ahead and restart the device by pressing the power key. This is it guys, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, I'll see you next time.